Using the Webull app options can be an effective way to manage your investments and potentially increase your returns. To get started, open the Webull app and navigate to the Trade section. From here, select the stock or option you want to trade and choose the Options tab. First, you need to understand the different types of options available. There are two main types: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a certain price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a certain price. To buy an option, select the Buy button and choose the type of option you want to purchase. You will then need to select the expiration date, strike price, and number of contracts you want to buy. The expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the stock. And the number of contracts determines the size of your position. When selling options, you are giving the buyer the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price. To sell an option, select the Sell button and choose the type of option you want to sell. You will then need to select the expiration date, strike price, and number of contracts you want to sell. It is also important to understand the concept of volatility and how it affects option prices. Implied volatility is a measure of the market's expected volatility and can have a significant impact on option prices. When volatility is high, option prices tend to be higher. And when volatility is low, option prices tend to be lower. To manage your options positions, you can use a variety of strategies, such as spreads, straddles, and iron condors. A spread involves buying and selling options with different strike prices or expiration dates, while a straddle involves buying a call and put option with the same strike price and expiration date. An iron condor involves buying and selling options with different strike prices and expiration dates to limit your potential losses. Best practices for using the Webull app options include starting with small positions and gradually increasing your size as you become more comfortable with the platform. It is also important to set clear goals and risk management strategies before entering into any trade. Additionally, make sure to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed investment decisions. By following these steps and strategies, you can effectively use the Webull app options to manage your investments and potentially increase your returns. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.